Hello, I'm Dr. RNV Vamsi Krishna, general physician and diabetologist. Today we'll be talking regarding yoga poses for diabetes management. The first one is Vajrasana. To perform this, kneel on the mat, bring your knees and feet together, sit back on your heels so the buttock rests on the heels and thighs on the calves. Place your hands on the thighs, palm facing downward. Keep your spine erect, chest open, shoulders relaxed, and gaze forward. Breathe deeply and naturally in this position, maintaining stillness. This is the only yoga pose that can be performed immediately after eating. Hold for 5 to 10 minutes, gradually increase duration with practice. The benefits being, it is effective for digestion and diabetes management. It improves blood flow to the digestive organs, stimulates the pancreas, and is the ideal post-meal yoga pose. It increases digestion by enhancing and diverting the blood flow to the digestive organs, which accelerate the digestion. Pancreatic stimulation and pressure on the legs redirects the blood to the abdominal organ. The blood sugar control is improved. Regular practice helps manage post-meal glucose spike, and kidney health by improving the circulation to the kidney and urinary tract. Spine alignment by maintaining the lumbar curvature and strengthening the back muscles. Mental calmness by promoting mindfulness reduces the stress-related cortisol levels. The second asana is Ardha Matsyendra Asana. To perform this, sit with legs extended in Dandasana. Bend the right knee and place the right foot flat on the floor outside the left thigh. Bend the left knee and tuck the left foot near the right buttock, or keep it straight or for easier variation. Still tall on both sitting bones, lengthening the spine on an inhale. On the exhale, twist the torso of the right, place the left elbow on the outside of the right knee. Place the right hand flat on the floor behind the right hip for support. Turn the head to gaze over the right shoulder. Hold and breathe deeply. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Inhale to relax. Repeat on the other side. The benefits being a deep spinal twist that compresses and stimulates the kidney, liver, pancreas, and spleen. Highly effective for diabetes management and detoxification of the digestive system. Pancreas and liver massage. Deep twisting stimulates the insulin secretion and liver detox. Kidney activation by compresses, then releases the kidney, improves their filtration. Spinal mobility by improving thoracic and lumbar rotation, relieving the back pain. Digestion health by stimulating peristalsis and relieves constipation and bloating. Blood sugar control, regular practice linked to improved glucose metabolism. Overall well-being is by detoxifies abdominal organ and boosts energy levels. Next asana is Vakrasana. To perform this, sit on the mat with the legs extended, bend the right leg and place the right foot flat on the floor outside and bend the left knee. Bend the left leg and place the left foot near the right buttock outside the hip. Inhale and lengthen the spine, sitting tall on the sitting bones. Exhale and rotate the trunk to the right, placing the left arm against the right knee or wrapping it around. Take the right arm behind the back, attempting to clasp the left hand or wrist. Look over the right shoulder, hold and breathe steadily. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, slowly unwind and repeat on the left side. Benefits being, full version of the spine twist provides a more intense massage to the abdominal organs, delivering greater benefits for diabetes, kidney health, and spinal mobility than the half version. Intense organ massage by full twist deeply stimulates the pancreas, kidney, and liver. Diabetes management by enhanced pancreatic stimulation supports better insulin function. Kidney detox by strong compression flushes and reoxygenates the kidney tissues. Spinal health due to full rotation improves spinal range of mobility, motion significantly. Digestive strength by activating sluggish digestion and reduces intestinal gases. Shoulder mobility by bending opens the chest and shoulder joints effectively. The next asana is Virabhadrasana. To perform this, stand in Tadasana. Step your left foot back about 3 to 4 feet, turning it out at 45 degrees. Keep the right foot pointed straight forward. Align the heel of the right foot with the arch of the left. Inhale and rise both arms overhead, palms facing each other or joined. Exhale and bend the right knee to 90 degrees, keeping the knee directly above the ankle. Keep the left leg straight and strong, pressing the outer edge of the left foot into the mat. Look up towards your thumbs, chest lifted, spine long. Square the hips forward as much as possible, then hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Inhale and straighten the knees to come out. Repeat on the other side. The benefits of this asana is it builds full body strength, improves cardiovascular endurance, and stimulates blood circulation. Its dynamic standing posture is especially beneficial for heart health. Cardiovascular stamina is elevating the heart rate moderately and strengthening the cardiac muscles. The core strength of legs by building strength in the thighs, gluteus, and core muscles. Circulation boost by increasing blood flow throughout the body, reducing clot risk. Balance and focus by improving proprioception and mental concentration. Chest and lung opening, raising the arms and opening the chest for deeper breathing. Overall well-being is what happens with this kind of asana. Today we learned regarding these 3 asanas. I look forward to you being involved in these asanas and have a good health. Thank you.